Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Welcome back to Fura's Kitchen. Today we're going to make skillet potatoes. Some call them breakfast potatoes. So I used a wide pan, as you can see. Then I added in vegetable oil and butter. And then I'll let the butter melt before adding in my potatoes. And then I will add in my potatoes here. And please make sure your potato, you see, as in the video, the thickness of the potatoes, not too thin and not also too thick. And then I'll mix that well so that the potatoes can mix well with the butter. Yeah, we want the potatoes to have the butter taste, yeah, and everything before I add in anything else. So here I added, for the spices, I used black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. The garlic powder is a game changer, guys. Yeah. The aroma, it was just wow. So I'll give that a good mix, yeah, for the spices to mix well with the potatoes. If you have oregano, you can add oregano here, yeah. Spices of your choice, as usual. Play around with your spices that you have, and then yeah, give that a good mix. Yeah, give it a good mix. The aroma, guys, the aroma that was coming out of this kitchen, it was so heavenly. So I covered it for like some 3 minutes, and then I started mixing again, or turning the potatoes again. And then I added in my onions. Yeah, I added in my onions, and then mix well. Yeah, this is a very good option if you're tired with bread. I added salt. Yeah, this is salt that I'm adding. So if you're tired with the bread, the likes of bread, Maandazi, and so on, you can make these skillet potatoes. They are so yummy and so filling. Yeah, I added some water, guys, a very, very little amount of water for the steam to help the potatoes cook well. And I have a feeling that I added, too much, because I don't know if my potatoes were somehow breaking. Yeah, but not to worry. I also avoid over mixing, because I have over mixed. So don't over mix, so that your potatoes don't break. Yeah, so our potatoes are ready, and they were so yummy, guys. Don't let the lighting deceive. They were so yummy. Thanks for watching. Bye.